Hi friends, thank you very much for your support and love. Thanks for 500 plus subscribers within short span. I will continue my best effort to give good Sing picks in the future also. Welcome to my channel, Sing the Real King. Disclaimer, I am not a SEBI registered analyst. This video is intended for purely education purpose. It is not any kind of buy sell recommendations. Any kind of entry exit do with your own due diligence. Duration sync calls 1 to 8 weeks, positional call 1 to 4 months. Please do trial your stop loss to next levels for better risk reward and preserve these profits. Let's do check global indices. Most of the global indices are closed with a positive note. Nasdaq up by 201 points, that is 1.8%. Dow Jones and Dow Jones Future up by 658 and 643 points respectively. That is 2.15 and 2.1% up in both indices. S&P 500 up within 1.92%, that is 73 points. SGX Nifty closed at 16,215 with 175 points higher. And India VIX came to 17.6, so volatility likely to cool down in the coming days as per the VIX data. As per global cues, Indian market most likely to open with gap up. Nifty this time most likely to test 16,350 to 16,400 levels. May face first resistance in these levels. Wide range between 16,360 to 16,480 levels. If breaks these levels comfortably, may go up to 16,800 levels. In the downside, Nifty's support range has been narrowed down. Psychological support at 16,000 and 15,900 levels acts as strong support. If it is breaks down, may test 15,750 to 15,700 levels as next support. Let's do the last week stocks review. First stock in our list was Arman Finance, opened at 1346. Opened at our first target and made high of 1390. It was a huge gap up and reversed to below our buying range, and actually we didn't receive any entry at the first time. If someone has been taken on reversal on the buying range, the stock has Arman Finance has achieved its first target. Second stock in our list, TCPL pack, made high of 1067, achieved our second target. Worldtamp made high of 3319, achieved our first target. Fourth stock in our list, Monte Carlo, made high of 842, achieved our first target and very close to our second target. Fifth stock, Carnex, made high of 240, achieved our second target. M&M Finance made high of 206.80, achieved our first target. Tata Motor DVR was our seventh stock, made high of 229.70. Our first target was 230, so achieved our first target. Eighth stock in our list, Aztec, made high of 2140, achieved our first target. Ninth stock, Apar Industries, did hit stop loss. Next day it has been reversed to buying range. 10th stock and last stock, Shoppers Stop, made high of 557, achieved our second target. Let's do analysis for this week Sinkhole Picks. First stock in our list, Lumax Tech, CMP 232. Lumax Tech's given very good breakout on Friday with very good volume. We can expect good rally in coming days also. We can keep Lumax target 244 and 252, 270 and 292. Stop loss we can keep below 194 on closing basis. Second stock in our list, GRP Limited, CMP 1851. GRP Limited tested 3 times similar level and given very good breakout in the last week with very good volume. They given very good rally last week itself and expecting very good momentum this week also. GRP Limited, we can keep the target 1890, 1940, 2000 and 2100. Stop loss we can keep 1625 on closing basis. Third stock KKCL, Keval Kiran Clothing Limited, CMP 336. Keval KKCL also tested 3 times similar level and given very good breakout with volume in the last week, and expecting very good momentum this week also. Target we can keep 350, 365, 382 and 406, and stop loss we can keep 302 on closing basis. Fourth stock in our list, BLS International, CMP 226. In the chart, it is showing very slowly higher high, higher low formation. It may continue the momentum in coming week also. So we can keep BLS International target as 235, 244, 255, 262 and a stop loss 209 on closing basis. Fifth stock in our list, Insecticide 932 CMP. We have recommended many times this stock and we have given very good return in this stock in previous calls, and we can keep the stock target 945, 964, 980 and 1005. As we can see in the chart, it is in the very bullish trend. It may continue the momentum in coming week also. Stop loss we can keep Insecticide 890 on closing basis. Sixth stock, Aster DM, CMP 213. In chart we can see very long term consolidation around this range. It has given breakout last week. Consolidation breakout given last week. We can expect the same momentum in coming days also. We can keep the target for Aster DM 221, 228, 240 and 252. Stop loss we can keep 190. If any correction or profit booking coming in these counters, we can consider this stock in lower price also, and we can take the entry, and if it is getting in lower price, we can expect very good return in coming days. Seventh stock in our list, Ingersoll Rand, CMP 1624. We can keep Ingersoll Rand target 1685, 1724, 1800 and 1850. We can keep stop loss on closing basis 1510. The stock showing very good momentum and very good volume in last Friday. It is given swing breakout in last Friday. We can expect good rally in this counter. To stock you just keep in your watch list, Bajaj Electrical, CMP 1176 and Vito 98. Vito, it is a high risk high reward category. Anybody would like to take risk may expect good return in Vito, VETO.